Today we are in OTWorld, the most important event for the orthotic and prosthetic industry. We are exhibiting the cutting-edge devices from our customers, but moreover, MJF HP is represented in more than 20 booths around the show. So super excited to see all the innovation in the orthotic and prosthetic industry.
And it's not just clinicians here. We have materials, designers, agents, 3D printing, everyone here to solve the challenges of delivering quality orthotic and prosthetic products to the patients, improving their experience around the globe.
So we have been in the orthotic and prosthetic field for over 30 years, and 3D printing gave us the design freedom so we can create a whole new generation of devices that we could never do with traditional fabrication.
We for sure see a big trend in digitalization of the treatment process and therefore also more and more growing applications in additive manufacturing. So we're going from scan, using digital modification software workflow and then ending up with MJF printing to bring the part into real life.
MJF specifically can provide better products, more lightweight devices, more breathable devices that can adapt to every patient morphology.
It's exciting to walk the floor and see 3D printing so prominent in this industry.
With HP, we have a really nice relations. They do a really good service. The part quality is the best for our market.
The value proposition of our printing technology is perfectly aligned with the requirement of this industry. It allows to reduce waste. It also allows to reduce manual work. It allows personalization. And all in all, accelerates the digitalization of this industry.
It feels like the future is already here with 3D printing, and HP are at the forefront of that technology, helping us move forward in leaps and bounds.